Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. As you can see, we have tested a total of 480 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 377 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one but one. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, this traders made $20 million with this simple trading strategy. Now, in the source video's title, they didn't quite put $20,000 correctly, but I'm going to assume that that's what they meant by where the commas are in the number. And so now, interesting enough, the two indicators that we are using in the strategy have not been around that long, so I find it hard to believe that traders have made $20 million using this particular strategy. But nonetheless, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the multi-deviation scaled moving average. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we will leave everything on the default settings on this one. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the linear regression oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And I've turned off some of the stuff that is displayed on the chart. It's rather crowded. So what we'll do is just jump into the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and uncheck the labels and the plot selection right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for the brownish gold diamond like this here from the DSMA, the deviation scaled moving average. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look down to the linear regression oscillator, and we want it to have blue bars like this here to the downside. And so when those two line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right up here at the moving average line, and we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You see a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the bluish colored diamond from the DSMA. Then we're going to look down to the linear regression oscillator. We want it to have the teal colored bars like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll take and place a long trade here. We'll put our stop again at the moving average line. And we are going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. This one takes just a little bit longer, but we can see that we make this nice steady climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 26 winning trades and 24 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 52% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $9,600 for an overall gain of $6,000 altogether. So not a bad strategy. Will it make you $20 million? Not too sure about that. I guess if you scaled up properly, started with enough, yeah, you probably could get there, but seems a little far-fetched from the title still. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Indicator. During the same period of time, we did 28 trades altogether. We had 23 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,000 for an overall gain of $7,800. So better results. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $13,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.